The digital revolution simplifies lives in Slovenia, a land of fantastic business opportunities, where advanced software solutions for paperless economies come to life in the hands of passionate developers, such as those at SETCCE, the leading software vendor for digital transaction management services in the Adriatic region that has been transforming business operations for more than 20 years. Today, SETCCE is a trusted partner of the largest enterprises across various industries, working closely with leading system integrators. By automating paperwork processes, it improves business performance and saves time for companies all over the world.
We are super excited about using technology to raise the quality of life. We started as researchers for digital society with expertise on how to deliver trust in a business. Nowadays, we deliver solutions for reliable digital agreements, making them easy to use anywhere and anytime. I remember just 2 decades ago, businesses feared going paperless, but today being digital is normal in Slovenia. We had a leading part in this transformation, and we are proud of these positive changes it has for everyone. When going digital, you speed up the process. You suddenly have more time to connect with people, do the things you love, and make a direct green impact.
From a spin-off of Slovenia's largest research institute to a regional pioneer in digitalization and paperless businesses, SETCCE delivers advanced digital tools to mass markets and aims to become the European leader in digital transaction management. With smart solutions, such as the electronic signature platform BetterSign, which offers a digitalized and secure substitute for traditional document signing, SETCCE enhances the quality of life and ensures environmental health. And by being green, creative and smart, it's an example of the revolutionary Slovenian economy and one of its valued ambassadors. Step into the digital age in Slovenia, a land of infinite potential for your business. Make the most of it.